So hello fellow banknote collectors, and my name is Glenn, and today we're talking about how to store your banknotes. So you've got a banknote collection, you're wondering what to do with them. You really don't want to put them, too much of them like this. So these are a bulk lot in these bags because I ran out of room. So you want to actually keep your banknotes in something like this. So this is a Port Phillip. The only place I have seen that sells these is Maxstern. Renix makes their own, and there is a few other companies that also make them, but a lot of them you can't buy in Australia. So basically what it is, you got 4 screws and you take them out like that. So there's a screw. Okay, there's the screw, can you see it? Yep. And I'll just take one out. So put it back in before I lose it, because with my other album I lost all the screws. I have no idea where they were, but this is just holding together, and you know, it's just holding together like that. So that's why I got a new album, because in this one you got fresh pages. You have got the plastic bills, and these ones seem to be soft, so I'm not too sure what plastic they are. If you are buying these, probably best to ask what plastic they are. Now PVC acts differently on banknotes, so it would act on banknotes differently, but if it's got acid in it, it should affect the banknotes than it does coins. So, but you know, PVC affects coins, but they both affect banknotes and coins in the same way, in that they change the chemical composition and structure of the banknote. So how it does that is that probably acids go in the banknote and alter the ink, probably also alter the paper structure, probably breaking apart the hydrogen and carbon bonds that make up organic molecules, which paper is. So you need to be careful with that. But these ones, they seem to be okay. The other folder that I got has the different type of paper. This one is a lot more rigid, so it's not soft. When you go like that, it goes back. So the rigid ones are probably the ones you want to get. It's probably less likely to affect the paper. So this folder, I would say, is probably a bit older. Now, how much do these cost? Well, I've seen them for sale between $23 and $29. I purchased this one off just a seller that wanted to get rid of banknotes and albums. So I got it for $16, including postage. So that's probably not how you're going to get these folders. They probably cost between $20 to $40, depending on the quality and how many pages come in it. So I think the Renix ones are a bit more expensive, but maybe I'll buy one to show you guys. So all these are upside down. So we've got the folder there, and here we have the top of the banknote. So you open it up the top. Then all you need to do is, so a new banknote, not really good condition, but one I don't have. And that's coming up in the next video. Oh, be careful, don't hit yourself in the head like I did, because I'm an idiot. Okay, so there you go. Put the banknote in there, like that. But this one's probably more suited to a larger type of banknote. So probably that HSBC banknote that you can see there. So, or, you got the German, oh wait, I'll take it out. Got the German 1000 marks, really big banknotes. And that's, okay, so the really big banknotes. 1000 marks from Germany and 1000 Kronen from Austria-Hungary. Really big banknote. These are called blanket banknotes. they're pretty much the same size as the original Chinese banknotes. And you know, you can have other types of banknotes in there too. Do I have any other big banknotes? Ah, yes I do. Here you go, Burmese 100 kyat. This is actually a bit of an expensive banknote. Probably costs about $50 now. When I first started collecting 30 years ago, you can get them for like $5 to $10. But that changes. These were demonetized. And a lot of them you see have a mold. So that's why I've added extra protection. I have it in plastic. So that's double protection for a banknote. Not too sure, that's Aung San Suu Kyi's father. I think it's, I can't remember his name. Can't remember the name of everyone. So that is what you should store your banknotes in. If you just started collecting banknotes, then, you know, get one of these. It's really going to be worth your while in the future. I wouldn't just get one, depending on what you collect. Me, I collect everything. So I'll probably need one for each country. Or maybe, yeah, whatever. So, and also there is coin albums. So this is the actual small coin album. This is probably for a typeset. I know you can probably put, this is pretty hard, so I reckon it's not PVC. I got these for free when I purchased some 2x2 flips. So these coins, I got them for free. Obviously they weren't selling them. Obviously they just wanted to get rid of them. So you can probably put gold coins in there, or if you've got a set of silver coins, you can put in there. I don't know, you can put in there, so New Zealand pre-decimal coin set, East African coin set. So that's another way, but I'll make another video on coin folders after I've purchased a coin folder. Anyway, let me know what you think, and also let me know if you actually have a coin folder. I'm a bit lazy. I don't have too many coin folders because I reckon that they're just an added expense, really. As long as you look after your banknotes quite well, you shouldn't have a problem. Anyway, thank you very much for watching my video, and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.